Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Afrin Qureshi and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Qalbi Kalam. So this is a review video. Here I am going to review a parcel which have been in my cupboard for so long now. So today I have decided to open it up. Here is a parcel and let's go. Okay, so I have no idea what's I do have idea what's inside of it, but I don't know how it is going to look. Ta-da! So here is the necklace with two small cute rubber bands. Okay, it is pretty. Loved it. With these earrings. Earrings are just fine, but I love this necklace a lot. So here is a necklace and freebie, two cute rubber bands. These are good. Actually, just I don't wear earrings, so earrings are good. But yeah, this necklace is really pretty. Really loved it. I met this girl. Her name is Hasina. I met her in an exhibition, and there we bought this beautiful bracelet. I really love this sage green color with this black spots on it. It really, like, I find it aesthetic and beautiful, so I bought this one. And another one is this glows in light in sunlight. I can see like blue color is very visible, plus this purple, but here is orange, pink, and there are other colors also. So yeah, this glows under light, you can say, or sunlight. So this is really pretty. If you guys wish to buy any product from her, then here is her Instagram ID, the charm kitty. Her name is Hasina, and she's working for stray animals. So whatever you are going to buy from her, she is going to donate that money to stray animals. She like do all the stuff, vaccination, and there are so many things she do. So it's really lovely of her, and the price is also very reasonable, that you don't have to give it a second thought. So yes, I really loved it, and will again buy from her. Also, don't forget to follow my page, which is Afrin's Miracle Shop. There you will find a lot of calligraphy, digital and hand calligraphy frames and other things. So yeah, please do show some love to my page also. So we will meet again in the next video. Till then, take care, and yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.